Hello, Birdville ISD. It is time to remember how to set up Gradepassback. So when you create an assignment or a quiz here in Canvas, it will automatically go to your Skyward gradebook. I'm going to be showing you both a secondary example as well as an elementary example because there are a few differences there. So first off, the secondary example. You can see that I have come into my assignments. I've created a new assignment, a secondary assignment. As I scroll down, I would assign my points to the assignment, and the first key to getting your assignment to sync correctly is your assignment group. So you can see I've got a lot of different odd groups here. I already have daily. That's the one. The second is test. So if I have a daily grade, I'm going to choose DLY and all caps to be my assignment group, and that will be able to sync to Skyward as a daily grade. If I want it to be a test grade, I need it to be in the test group. So all these other groups I have here are just silly from importing different things, but it's either daily or it is test. Those are the two assignment groups that I pick from when I create it. If you don't have that in your assignments on your course already, you just click create group, and you would then type it and add the group, and then it shows up there in your responsibilities. Okay, so that's the first step, daily or test for secondary. Next, you pick what kind of submission type it's going to be, online, on paper, external tool, that sort of thing. Remember, we've got that cool student annotation tool as well that's there where they can work with PDFs, but that's for another video. You're going to scroll down on however many attempts you want them to give for this assignment. You want to then assign it to however many sections you have. And this is the key right here, the sync to SIS. We want to include the assignments grade when you're syncing to the SIS or student information system, which for us is Skyward. Okay, so that's how you set it up for a secondary assignment. Elementary assignment, very similar. You do the same thing. You set up your points. You're going to create the assignment. You need to give an assignment group. Now, the assignment groups in Canvas are a little different for elementary. I've got this handy guide here that I'm going to pass on with this video, but for now I'm going to paste it into my assignment so I can run it and create it here. So we have daily, major, composition, spelling, and grammar. And you can see that ELA, for that ELA grade, those ELA activities, those are areas where you might need groups. So again, just like in the secondary video, I'm going to create a group. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add daily. Next, I will come back, create another group. We'll call that major, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to choose the major group. I'm going to display it as points. It's an online submission, and I'm going to click that button to include this assignment when syncing to your school's SIS. Now, you do the assignment. It needs to have a due date in order for it to sync to Skyward. You must have a due date. In both cases, we need to choose a due date for the assignment so that it will sync. Otherwise, it's not going to be happy, and it's not going to let you sync to Skyward. Now, how do you check it? Under your grades tab on the left, you're going to come over here. You're going to see the assignments that are going to come through. Under actions, you're going to see sync to SIS. I'm not going to have that ability because this isn't linked to a Skyward course. But then you will see listed the assignments that you have not synced with Skyward. You click the little boxes and gives you permission. And then if we come here to our activity, we're going to make sure we have the daily. You can see it's all there. Here it is right here, the example. You can see I've synced to SIS. I've got my assignments. I pick the ones I want to sync. I say post grades, and then it takes a few minutes and it will be complete. That part of the syncing part is the same elementary and secondary. I know this might be a lot. If you have more questions, please feel free to reach out to your digital learning specialist. Happy canvassing, everyone.